We live in a time when everybody wants to own new software and apps. Due to this, there are more employees required to assist in the development of such programs. Application developers require efficient tools to work, and cloud platforms are among the best tools for work. There is a huge demand for Azure Cloud Solution Architects because Azure is utilized on a huge scale in technology. Hence, we are going to find out how to become one. We are going to find out what this work entails and how you can become certified for it. What is an Azure Architect? An Azure Architect, or Azure Cloud Solutions Architect, is an individual who helps a business migrate its work to the cloud using Microsoft Azure. They develop and deploy cloud systems, train other individuals to use them, and make sure everything works perfectly. They also help their company accept and embrace cloud technology. The job of an Azure Architect would differ depending on the size of the company. Yet, in every instance, they do the following: mentor other teams of cloud architects and show them. Collaborate with other teams to familiarize with problems and identify best cloud solutions. Develop a plan and establish the Azure cloud system for their enterprise. Assist shift the company's systems and tools to the cloud. What are the tools of an Azure Architect? Azure architects have a huge job, and so they have to apply the appropriate skills and tools to get the job done. Below are some of the most critical tools and areas they have to apply. Azure experience: they should be capable of designing and deploying cloud systems on Microsoft Azure. Azure role knowledge: it is beneficial if they possess experience in fields such as Azure administration, Azure development, or DevOps. IT basics: they should be aware of aspects such as network security, data backup, disaster recovery, identity protection, and how to sustain a business in case of failure. Budget planning: Azure architects usually review the costs and let the company know how much the cloud will cost. Cloud fundamentals: they must know cloud fundamentals such as microservices, small, convenient pieces that collaborate in a cloud application. Effective communication skills: Azure architects interact with a lot of various people, including tech teams, managers, and business leaders, so it's essential they can clarify things. How to become an Azure Architect? 1. Finish your education. Obtain a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or engineering. 2. Learn Azure services. Learn how Azure helps companies with cloud apps, backup, and storage. 3. Know coding and databases. Learn to utilize databases like MySQL and programming languages like Java. 4. Explore open source tools. Study about utilities such as Docker, Redis, and OpenStack. 5. Know different operating systems. Learn to work with systems such as Windows, Linux, or Unix. 6. Understand computer networks. Find out how the internet functions with IP addresses, routers, and firewalls. 7. Study cybersecurity. Learn to safeguard data and secure systems against attack. 8. Build soft skills. Practice planning, guiding, and discussing. 9. Get job experience. Work in computer or software careers for 3 to 5 years. 10. Take a course and get certified. Enroll in an Azure Architect course and obtain your certification. Best methods to design Azure architecture are: 1. Scalability. Design systems that can adjust size based on the workload. 2. Security measures. Implement robust security controls like password locking and data encryption. 3. Reducing costs. Save money by choosing the optimal price plans. 4. Disaster recovery and high availability. Make sure your systems keep running, even if something fails. 5. Monitoring and improving performance. Monitor how your services and apps are performing. 6. DevOps integration. Leverage DevOps tooling such as Azure DevOps to create and update applications quickly. 7. Governance and compliance. Comply with rules and laws relating to data storage and use. 8. Collaboration with teams. Build close relationships with developers, operations personnel, and business managers the right way to be an Azure architect. Microsoft Azure is an excellent cloud platform and is growing extremely rapidly. If you need to be an Azure architect, becoming certified is of utmost priority. iCertGlobal offers a course known as the Microsoft Azure Cloud Architect Master's Program. The course teaches you how to construct, develop, and control applications on Azure that can grow with your company. This iCertGlobal course enables you to acquire the skills to become an Azure Cloud Architect. If you are already working in the technology sector, this is a best method to learn more and advance your career.